Welcome to another episode of Fun Finance. In today's video, I am going to share my review about Ankur Warikoo's course about time management. The course name is Taking Charge of Your Time. So I'll share all the details from the fees to what was the content about and like my conclusion on this same. So let's start with the fees. So the fees of this course was 399 rupees, and the reason why I took this course was of two reasons. First reason being that there was a condition that if you don't find value in this course, no question asked, refund. Second was that I'm struggling with my time management, so I really wanted this time type of course, and the fees was really reasonable, like 399 rupees was like almost a $5, and it was there was also a good chance if I don't like, I can get my money back. I may lose the time, but I will get my money back. So that was the reason I took this course, and I'm happy that I took. I will share more details so you'll understand why I'm saying this. So before going forward, I will share few details about course. That is, this course is available in English and Hindi. So that like the first session, which is approx 55 minutes, is available in Hindi and English, and the Q&A is in English. And the duration of course is around 90 minutes, and it is a pre-recorded session. But it is a relevant, like it is not something that if there are some sessions which are pre-recorded and which are like not relevant for this time. So this is not the case with this session. This is actually relevant and to the point. And so if you have 2 hours of time, you can watch it in a one straight go. So now coming to the course content. The course content is divided into the two parts. There is one session of around 55 minutes, and that session is divided into 3 parts, and then there is Q&A. So first talk about the session about 55 minutes, where he talks about time allocation, how time allocation is important. Like everyone, you, me, everyone in the world have one same thing, that is 24 hours. Each of us have that 24 hours. No one have more, no one have less. It is equal for all. So how you use your time, how you allocate your time to the things, like how much you are time allocating to like fun activity, how much time you are allocating to your academics if you are a student, how much time you are allocating to work as a like if you are working, how much time you are using on your Instagram, watching Netflix kind of thing. So the time allocation was like good things he talked about. In that, I would like to share one thing, like he example of 7 habits of highly successful people, where you can see this chart where the things are important and things are not important, and things are urgent and things are not urgent. So there are certain things which might not be important nor might be urgent, but they are required in our life because we are human being, right? Like having a talk with your friend for 5-10 minutes, checking Instagram once or twice in a day for 10 to 15 minutes. As a human being, these things are necessary. These are not important nor urgent, but these are practical things which as a human being we need to do, and these things varies from person to person. So Ankur added a very practical aspect to this, that see, this can't be like, there can't be a like fixed formula for everyone. Every individual is a different, every individual have a different habits. Someone is efficient if she or he wakes up at 5 a.m. Someone is efficient if she or he wakes up at 8 a.m. Some people are efficient if they work for less hours. Some people are efficient if they work for more hours. So this is like different for every person. So you need to understand your like this habits, how you work, how your body function. So the second part was about time is energy, where he shared about how time is affected by your physical activity. Say example, today you have a schedule of say to wake up at around 7 a.m. for a certain assignment or certain work. But last night if you are partying or doing some unnecessary work till late night, then obviously it is going to affect your next day schedule. So you have to manage those things as well. Like you have to look things from that perspective also. Like if you are physically drained, then you won't be able to take maximum use of your time. So that way he suggested about emotional factor, mental factor. So this was the second part. The third part was time is money, in which he gave examples where we say examples like we generally don't consider value of our time. Say suppose if you are working for some company and you are getting a X amount of salary. So we consider that for a month we get say 50,000 rupees, but we never consider that if we are like putting our 4 hours in something else, then our time is valued out say 200-300 rupees a hour. So we don't consider, and we should consider that things. So if we are taking some decision and we are trading something with our time, then we can trade our time in a better way. And this was the first 55 minutes. After that there were Q&As where a lot of good practical questions were asked about, and more and less he shared his experience based upon if some question were related to his life. And also the thing which I liked about this course was there was no formula or like things like suppose a psychology of the mentor is shared with you. Like he did not force a psychology that you should wake up at 5 a.m. or you should like write it down everything. The thing is you should like be aware where you are allocating your time based upon the type of things you prefer. You should take charge of your time, that is important. And the formula you can break here and there, and you can customize it according to your need. So all in all, I found this course very useful considering about the time management. I would really recommend if you guys want to go for this course. I have liked it personally. I'm not going for the refund thing. I would like to thank Ankur for sharing this course. And also Ankur is offering some startup course where he's sharing details about startups. So let me know if you want me to attend that course as well and review that course for you guys also. Also let me know in comments if you have any question regarding this course or any other any other course you want me to do. Also subscribe to my channel, like this video, also share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.